Be brave, Benny. A short moral story. Benny was a tiny bunny with a big fear. He was scared of everything. Loud noises, tall grass, even butterflies made him hop away in a panic. His brothers raced through meadows. His sisters climbed rocks. But Benny? He stayed close to the burrow, watching from afar. One day, a strong wind blew across the field. Benny heard a tiny cry. It was a baby bird stuck in a bush, its wing caught on a thorny branch. Benny's heart thudded. What if I get hurt? What if I can't do it? He thought. But then, he looked at the frightened bird. What if I can help? With shaky paws, Benny stepped into the tall grass. Thorns scratched his fur, but he kept going. He gently freed the baby bird and carried it back to its nest, all the while trembling. When he returned, the other animals cheered. Benny, you were so brave. Benny smiled for the first time without hiding behind someone else. He still got scared, but now, he knew bravery wasn't about being fearless. It was about acting even when you're afraid. Moral: bravery means doing the right thing, even when it's scary. Thank you for watching.